I'm Dan Collins, the founder here at Franchisee First Advisors, and I've been an executive in franchising for over 30 years. If you're thinking about getting into franchising and you want to stop trading time for money and actually own something that builds equity, here's a quick summary of what we can do and how we can help. The reality is, there are thousands of franchises out there. There are a lot of great ones and there are a lot of bad ones. And I've seen choosing the wrong franchise cost people years of wasted time and hundreds of thousands of dollars in savings. But I've also seen when people get paired with the right franchise, they go on to have incredible success. So if you're thinking about getting into franchising, go ahead and book a call with me here on this page. On this call, we'll dive into your goals, explore what franchise direction makes sense for you, and help you walk away with clarity on whether this is the right path, and if so, what your next step should be. This call is completely free, and if it's a good fit, we can talk about what it looks like to work together further. So go ahead, book a call on the calendar page. Please make sure it's a time you can make, as the call will be directly with me and have about 30 minutes blocked off. I look forward to talking to you soon.